WT0214, Evangeline T. Flores, 37 years old, single, a nursing graduate with 6 years as a staff nurse experience in Saudi Arabia. Evangeline, tell me something about yourself.
I'm Evangeline T. Flores from Pangasinan, 37 years old. I have worked in Saudi Arabia for 6 years as a staff nurse. My work there is to take vital signs, giving injection, and support the patient.
Okay, how many hours is your travel from your place to Manila?
From Pangasinan, sir, to Manila, 5 hours to travel.
Okay, so do you have any children?
Yes, sir. I have one daughter.
One daughter. Who will take care of your daughter once
My
you
mother, sir.
Your mother, okay. So, what are your hobbies?
Reading books, internet, and cooking.
So you know how to cook.
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
Simple Chinese food, sir, and
Like
I'm willing
what?
to learn.
Like what?
Chop suey,
Okay.
noodles.
So as a staff nurse in Saudi Arabia before, did you experience taking care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
How about elderly?
Yes, sir.
How about in Hong Kong, if you were hired, are you willing to take care of
Yes, sir.
the same?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, what if the baby has a fever? For example, what will you do?
Take the temperature and tell the parents.
Okay. Do you know how to sing?
Yes, sir.
So, if you're taking care of baby, you should know how to sing lullaby. Do you know how to sing
Yes,
a lullaby
sir.
song?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
sing one for us? Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the sky so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay. So, what if you're already in Hong Kong, then one of your family members gets sick? Will you go home and break your contract?
No, sir.
What will you do?
I will call them and send money.
Okay. What, for example, you're working, then you get homesick. What are the things that you can do in order for you to overcome your homesickness?
I will read the books, listening to music.
Okay. So, among the many countries in the world, why did you choose Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is nice and higher salary.
Okay. So, what will be your future message to your future employer?
To my prospect employer, please hire me to take the opportunity to take the opportunity. I am hardworking, truthful, honest, and sincere. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you, Miss Evangeline T. Flores.